Hey, this is Carl with StoneHouse Foundation Repair. I just want to thank you, first of all, for choosing StoneHouse to work on your foundation and or your plumbing. Now I want to lay out the process of when it comes to plumbing. We've repaired the foundation on your home. Now we're moving into the plumbing portion if your house needs repairs. The first thing we're going to do is have our plumber come out, and he's going to do what's called a pinpoint. Okay, what we're going to do in this pinpoint, we're going to run a camera down your sewer line, and we could run that from a toilet, sometimes a shower, sometimes a vent on the roof. It just depends on your layout. Every house is different. We're going to run a camera through your sewer line, and we're going to detect where the leaks are, find the leaks if there's any. Okay, next step after we do the pinpoint is we're going to help you set up a claim with your insurance. We don't want you to do this alone. We want to help you. It's critical that we help you because insurance is tricky. We've been working with insurance a long time, so we know the ins and outs. So we're going to help you set up a claim, okay? Part 3 is we're going to help you secure funding. Okay, we don't always want to wait on the insurance just to pay out the claim because we want to get the plumbing fixed. So we'll help you secure funding through our third-party company in order to get the process moving. Part 4 on the list is we actually do the repairs, right? So we've already looked at the repairs, we found the repairs, helped you set up a claim, secure funding, and then the last step is we go out and we do the actual repairs. We tunnel under the house if needed and do the repairs and then retest. After that, we do a final static test just to make sure there are no other leaks and the job is done.